friends. John from Romania here, and as you already know, I like to talk about make money online and online entrepreneur. Please feel free to look around the channel and consider subscribing with bell notification on. Take your time for learning, and after that start making money on your PC. This pristine site is totally allowed to utilize, and it works in all nations around the globe. What's more, just by duplicate and gluing some content, you can bring in large cash each and every day and get paid through PayPal, Bank Move, or some other installment alternative you like. Presently, remember, and I will tell you bit by bit the best way to do this. In any case, on the off chance that you skip something or you don't make a move quick, at that point this won't work for you. So prepare on the grounds that we are beginning in 3, 2, 1. We stand by. Before we begin this instructional exercise, try to drop a like to this video in the event that you love bringing in cash online. Let's check whether we can get this video to 5,000 preferences. So look down underneath and tap the like catch until it gets blue. Okay, so this is the pristine site that we will utilize today to bring in cash, and it's really a spick and span online media stage. So online media stage like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, well, this is the fresh out of the box new one, which you can begin utilizing at the present time. In the event that you begin utilizing it today, you can exploit that early access and amplify your outcomes. So unquestionably don't avoid this one and give close consideration to every single step in this video. Presently, before we return to this new online media stage, before I show you how it functions and how it can make you cash, you should set up one more thing. So we should start this instructional exercise with step number 1. Furthermore, step number 1 is to approach bio.fm. So to approach bio.fm, this is the totally free point of arrival developer where you can have various connections for totally free. You will see precisely how that functions. Also, precisely how this device joined with that spick and span stage will make you a ton of cash on complete autopilot. Also, I will show you a review why this works super well since I tried it out myself. Presently approach bio.fm, you can peruse more about how it functions. In case you're intrigued, if not, follow the means and snap on pursue free. So you can make a pristine totally free record. You can do as such by either interfacing your Twitter account on the off chance that you have one, or you can simply join with email, which is something that requires somewhat additional time, like it will take you possibly 2 minutes to join with through email. What's more, with Twitter, that is simply going to be a single click of a catch. You can simply sign in, click join with Twitter. Furthermore, that is it. Once you make a record on bio.fm, this is the manner by which it will look like, and here you can add another connection to your presentation page. Furthermore, this is your remarkable connection that at whatever point individuals go to this connection, let me show you where that is going to take them. So they go to this connection and they can see your own greeting page where they can tap on various connections. Now how about we add a few connections so you can really bring in cash on an autopilot. So step number 2 is to tap on edit rights here, and you will most importantly need to erase these on the grounds that you don't have to advance any of your web-based media stages with this methodology. On the off chance that you truly need to bring in cash, we are not here to become our online media accounts. We are here just to bring in cash, so you can erase these sites. I will add this one and furthermore this one, and no doubt, I will leave it like that. After that you should tap on click to add content so you can add a few connections. Click on next and afterward click on the connections and the sites here, the symbol here, snap next. Furthermore, that is all you need to accomplish for the time being on bio.fm. So those are the 2 styles which you should finish. First, to approach bio.fm, make a record for totally free and snap on edit blocks until it takes you over to D-Spade. Step number 3, now you need a few connects to add to your bio.fm interface, and to do so you should make a beeline for dgstore24.com. DGStore24.com is a subsidiary commercial center and partner network where you can get a great many diverse member offers from everywhere the world in every single distinctive classification, and it's pretty like ClickBank yet dissimilar to with ClickBank, and now individuals from everywhere the world can join and bring in cash with this 5-side, so it's overall accessible but at the same time it's totally free. Presently, once you approach DigitStore24.com, simply click on Start. Currently it's allowed to join, so you can make a record. Simply join. It's going to take you like 2 minutes to join, and once you make a shiny new record, this is the means by which it's going to seem as though this is the dashboard. This is within the DGStore24 record. You can follow your profit. It's clearly going to state nothing from now since it's a fresh out of the plastic new record, yet don't stress, that will change actually soon. Presently go to Commercial Center here and snap on all proposals on the Partner Commercial Center, and here beginnings the enchantment. Here on the left hand side you can choose any of these classifications you incline toward. You can do anything from business and venture right down to home and garden and work, dialects, self-improvement, whatever you like. Simply select the classification you like. For this video I will utilize the Internet Marketing and e-business specialty. So I can tap on this specialty and I can snatch diverse associate proposals from this specific class. Furthermore, something that I truly like about DGStore24.com is that I can get moment admittance to my associate connections. So as should be obvious, on the off chance that we need to advance this offer, I can simply get this as my own novel offshoot interface. I can simply duplicate that. What's more, when individuals click on that, they are be shipped off the business page where they can purchase this offer. Furthermore, I will make half off of that. No doubt about it. Suppose for instance, I need to advance this offer, I will simply tap on it, I will duplicate this associate connection, I will return to my bio.fm account, I will glue that URL here, I will enter the title of the proposal within this container, I will simply duplicate this title and I will glue it here. Also, the more offers you add, the more cash you will have the option to make with this spick and span web-based media stage, which I will show you in a moment. So how about we add all the more connections here? We'll tap on add more connections. Furthermore, we should locate another offer. Suppose for instance, I need to advance this one too. I will duplicate this partner connection, and I will glue it. I will glue it here. I will snatch the offer title, I will likewise glue that here. What's more, presently I'm advancing various offers. In the event that somebody purchases this offer, when somebody taps on this connection, they can purchase a $67 item, which means I'm making around $33 per deal, which implies on the off chance that I get 10 deals, that is $330. On the off chance that I get 100 deals, that will be $3,300, etc. Also, the best part about associate showcasing is that you don't have to accomplish the work yourself. Since these folks made the item, they made the site, they have the business page, they're doing the selling for you, they're likewise conveying the item, they're doing client assistance, and so forth, and they're simply parting half with you. And you should simply base these connections and offer it on this online media stage. So once you add numerous connections, simply click on Add Block here and click on Publish. Let me show you how that will resemble. So now at whatever point somebody goes to our bio.fm interface, this is the thing that they will have the option to see. They can see various connections in various offers, which they can click any day by. You will make half on fragmented autopilot. Also, this works outrageously well since now you're not advancing only one single offer. Yet, you're giving them various choices, which is from the showcasing viewpoint are incredibly acceptable. Also, I read someplace several days. Also, it's a great mental stunt when you give more choices to your purchaser. So get your bio.fm connect and head toward these fresh out of the plastic new online media stage called Parlery.com. So since you have set up everything, you can approach Parlery.com. Also, you can begin sharing your bio.fm connect. Presently the explanation we are utilizing this site right currently is on the grounds that by and by, it's a fresh out of the box new web-based media stage. It's a rising site, an ever-increasing number of individuals are utilizing it. Furthermore, despite the fact that it's a pristine site, let me show this in the event that I draw up my apparatus called Comparable Vibe, that is demonstrating that despite the fact that they began only a few of months back, they're now getting very nearly a 6 million month-to-month visits. As should be obvious, it's been a truly consistent tub from them. So they're simply developing and developing. What's more, here's one more incredible thing about this site. It's being visited the most from top-level nations like United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia, which implies there's a great deal of cash to be made with this site. So approach Parlery.com, click Create New Account, click that you consent to their protection strategy, enter your email address, enter your telephone number. Furthermore, let me show this as should be obvious it is works in all nations around the globe. Also, best of all, you can even do this with your smartphone gadget just in the event that you don't have a laptop or you don't have a PC, or you essentially don't have any desire to sit before a PC your entire day. You can possibly lay in your bed and still do this with simply your smartphone since all it requires is simply duplicate and sticking. It's truly straightforward and it's truly simple. However, until further notice the following stage which you should finish once you make a spick and span account on Parlery.com is you should post something and advance your bio.fm interface. Presently, since I'm advancing proposals from the internet marketing and e-business specialty, I will attempt to pull in that crowd. So what I will do is I will choose the blessing symbol here. So I can attempt to discover something intriguing in the e-business specialty that will catch individuals' eye. So I will attempt to discover something that is attractive and it resembles intriguing and fun. So perhaps a scene from Companions would be a truly pleasant choice for me. So we'll choose that one and I'll additionally add a few subtitles. Presently in the inscriptions, I energetically suggest you first add some free word. You can simply do a Google search and attempt to discover something accommodating for your class. For me, I found these main 8 steps to open an e-business profound, so I'm going to glue the dead and afterward beneath that I have my connection. I have this like best e-business items and my bio.fm interface, and with this I'm not looking nasty, I'm doing whatever it takes not to quickly support him. Something however I'm first contribution free word, and this is going to work significantly in a way that is better than if you simply glue your bio.fm interface over yonder, yet with free word first this will be much more successful. Presently I can, as should be obvious, snap Parley. Furthermore, that implies I can distribute my post on this site and I will have no issues since I'm not posting subsidiary connections straightforwardly. However, I'm in reality first sending them to my presentation page and bio.fm, and with my point of arrival all the individuals that see my post in Parley.com, they can experience the entirety of the various offers they can get them, and from each offer they purchase, I will make half to business, which will rapidly add up and it will wind up being a good measure of programmed cash. Presently, clearly, you likely need to make heaps of deals just from one single post in Parley.com. You should remain tireless, you should post consistently, and that way you will expand your outcomes. Also, another extraordinary thing which you can do is you can head toward the inquiry bar, and you can look for internet marketing or e-business. Furthermore, you can follow those individuals that are keen on making money online. Or if it's a page identified with e-business, you can open up their page, you can go to their adherents and follow the individuals that follow them. Since clearly, it's demonstrated that these folks are keen on e-business and make money online. What's more, presently they can see your page and your posts, and that way you will draw in focused crowd. Also, this is snappy. This is rapidly going to resemble a snowball impact, since that way you will simply pull into an ever-increasing extent and more individuals inspired by that particular class. In case you're in the games specialty, simply look for sports and follow individuals that follow pages that are identified with sports. The equivalent goes for some other classification. That way you will sort of like Dynax your outcomes and you will get much more focused on perspectives to your bio.fm interface. Furthermore, another incredible thing which you can do is to utilize hashtags in your posts. So you can go like hashtag make money online, hashtag get more money, hashtag e-business, etc. Furthermore, that way you're additionally pulling in more focused on individuals so you can get those deals without any problem. Indeed, this is as of now Parlery.com. Pursue free all the details from this video and make an enormous move. Don't pass up this one. It's a pristine site and it's the correct chance to hop on it. I expectation you got some incentive out of this video. What's more, in the event that you did, remember to drop a like to it, leave an approval, and in the event that you haven't effectively, make certain to buy into this channel and click the red button subscribe with bell notification on so you don't pass up any of the new substance. As usual, much obliged for viewing, and I will see you in a portion of the following recordings. John from Romania. I wish you all the best.